then I'll restart this afterwards. So I'm making you the host. 303. 303.
Only number
303. You can start now. 303. Don't use mobile and this together.
It's hearing. It's audible. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone and teacher and Chandu sir.
Good afternoon.
I am giving the presentation. What is meditation?
Mike.
I'm not audible.
Now you are audible.
What is meditation? Meditation is an experience of relaxing the soul, quieting the mind, and awakening the spirit. Spirit means the what we don't know. That is the spirit, knowing the new things and what are going on our world. Meditation has been used throughout the world from many years, whether it is used to get in touch with one's self, clearing the mind, or getting into a certain state of mind. Meditation is considered a helpful practice all around the world. The meditation is using from the years. Nowadays, we are saying the meditation is yoga, but meditation is not yoga. They are thinking that meditation is one type of yoga, but the Sant Mahatmas are used meditation to become a many more education person like Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. Meditation and conventional healthy. There is no research that indicates meditation is harmful or has negative effects, whether used alone or in conjunction with conventional medicine. Meditation is one type of medicine that meditation was in helping to our recover body, like we don't know when we are meditating that time the some powers are helping to our body, but we don't know what is happening that time on meditation. Meditation is the definition. What is the definition of meditation? Meditation is a mental discipline by which the practitioner attempts to get behind the reflexive thinking mind into deeper state of relaxation or awareness. We can think deeper when we are meditating the time. We can know anything when that we time on meditation. We can know anything. Advantages of meditation: become relaxing and fresh, we are relief and healthy. Ma'am, over ma'am. It's any questions?
That's it.
Any questions, ma'am?
Okay. What is the conclusion for this? What conclusion would you like to give it to it?
Ma'am,
No, say something about the advantages of this one. That is called conclusion. That's it.
meditation is relieving our body. We are
Hmm.
mind free, and again we are over tension is going, and again we are we are relaxing.
Hmm. You get relief. Yes.
We can do anything by meditation.
Yes, that's right. Good. Presentation is good, but very few slides we have used. It's only okay. Maybe for 5 minutes you have presented. Okay, 4 slides only. You have only 4 slides, I think. Students, any questions, please? You can ask 1 or 2 questions. Raise your hand if you want to ask question. 18. 18, do you have any question? So you said there is a lot of difference between meditation and yoga. Can you add 2 more points for that? There's a lot of difference between yoga and meditation.
Yes, ma'am. They are yoga meaning physical. Ma'am, yoga is physically exercise, ma'am.
Mhm.
Meditation is like the
It is
mind
related to mind. Mm.
related to mind, and some positive energies are coming to our body. We didn't know, ma'am.
Mm.
Some my friends are telling what is mean by yoga and meditation. I am when the time I am meditation,
Mm.
they are asking what is meditation. He's doing meditation or yoga. They are asking,
Mm.
but some meditation time that is fresh mind, and I am getting some happy mood.
Happiness. Mm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yoga is related to body and
Body physically,
yes,
ma'am.
physically. It is related to body, whereas this is related to mind. Meditation is
Yes, ma'am.
related to mind.
Yes, ma'am.
A sound mind in a sound body, isn't it?
We can hear some sounds, ma'am, at the time of meditation in our brain only.
Mm-hmm. You experience that positive vibrations, isn't it?
Positive vibration we can hear. We can see any images of olden days or future days.
Mm.
Extra, ma'am.
Okay. So if you want to, or automatically they will come.
Automatically, ma'am. We can't thought them and think them. They will come automatically. That will happen, but anywhere and anytime we didn't know, ma'am.
Yes, I think you have achieved it. It's very difficult.
Yes, ma'am. I'm meditation from my
Childhood.
childhood.
Mm.
I am inspired by Paramahamsa Ramakrishna and Sadguru Sri Pulaji Baba and Swami Vivekananda. Yes, ma'am. Again, so many Sant Mahatmas are there in our Maharashtra, in our world also.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, really good. Huh? A person of
I am
your age.
exactly. I am searching, thinking about this Sant Mahatmas. I am getting this so many ideas, but I can't explain in English, ma'am. That's my problem.
You are able to explain. If you try only, you know, no, that whether you are able to explain or not. You have to give a try, isn't it? Because that is compulsory, because there are all the students, they have different language, their mother tongue will be different. So common language they understand, little bit also, that is English. So you should try. You should not think that whether I may not be able to make the people understand. They will understand. They are your classmates only, no? They can understand. It's not a big deal. Anyhow, good topic, but I expected more from you. I expected more from you. I thought that you would be giving a lot of information about meditation and all. You gave, but as you are saying that language is your problem. Okay, but still you can. Anybody else any questions, please, to him to boost up his confidence level? I think he knows many things, but the only thing is that presentation part, expression part is a bit difficult for him. Anybody is there? 27, are you there? Ask 27 to unmute. 303, make me host now. 303, make me host. You just unmute yourself only, make me host. Are you there? Okay. Right, thank you. So you just unmute yourself, no problem. I'm asking 27 to unmute. 27, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you ask one question to him so that he may feel happy? 303. Anything which is related to meditation. Ask one question. You have so many doubts about meditation and all, no? Just ask. "27 has gone. Where is he? Three not two. 302. 311. Nobody is there. I think people have become mute nowadays. Okay, anyhow, 303. What's your name?
Ramakrishna.
Ramakrishna. Okay, your name is also somewhat like it's not Paramahamsa, but Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. I think your parents also named after that only. Like very good. So next time you just come up with more points. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I will. Ma'am.
Good. Very good. Anybody else is there with presentations? Let's go back to this. Right.